Kindergarten. So before we start our math lesson today, make sure that you've gone and you've practiced all of your numbers. I made a really cool numbers video for you, so you can go and do that now. It has fiddlesticks with it, so go have fun with that. If you've already done it, if you've already done our numbers fiddlesticks, awesome. Let's get started. So kindergarten, this week we are reviewing, we are practicing our two-dimensional shapes again. Remember, some of our two-dimensional or flat shapes are things like a circle, a rhombus, a hexagon, pentagon, trapezoid, all of those things. So I went ahead and took some of our shapes and I turned them into some pictures. So if you look over here, I made a pig, and I made that pig out of what shape? I used circles to make this pig. Over here, I used 3 different shapes for this boat. I did a semicircle, that's half of a circle, like if you had a piece of pizza, or if you had a whole pizza and then you cut it in half, that would be half a circle. I also used a rectangle and I used a triangle. And then this kindergarten is a house that I made, and I put a whole bunch of different shapes in this house. This whole house, if you go from the very top down and then all the way back up, it has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you remember what shape has 5 sides? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertices. It's a pentagon. If I take this pentagon and I chop it right here, I now have a triangle, and then the bottom part is a square. I also used a rhombus for a window, a rectangle for the door. I used circles for the doorknob and this window. I used smaller squares for these 2 windows, and I also used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I used octagons for the 2 bottom windows. What are some things that you can make out of your shapes? I have a really cool video from a good friend of mine, Mr. Furlong. He went ahead and made a video for all of you kindergarten to show you how to make some different animals out of shapes. If you haven't checked it out yet, make sure that you go to the link below and go check out Mr. Furlong's video. Now what we're gonna do, let's go on a shape scavenger hunt around my house. When we're all done looking for shapes around my house, you can go and look for some shapes around your house. Are you ready? All right, kindergarten, so we're on the move in my house. And the first thing I see a rectangle. This book is in the shape of a rectangle. It has 4 sides, 2 are long, 2 are short, and it has 4 vertices. There's a rectangle. The next thing I'm going to look for is a square. I think if I go this way, I might find a square. Let's go on over to where I like to read you stories and where I like to talk about our religion with you guys. It's my pillow. My pillow has some elephants on it and some peacocks. It has 4 sides, and they're all the same length. They're the same size. And it also has 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. Okay, kindergarten, let's go this way. I think I might have a triangle over here in the dining room. So if we go this way, here's a ship that I have. And if we look right here at the ship, we can look at the sail. 1, 2, 3 sides, and 1, 2, 3 vertices. This sail is in the shape of a triangle. I have one more shape in my house that I want to show you before you go and do your own scavenger hunt. Let's go this way. I have this really cool table. Can you help me count and see how many sides and how many vertices are on this table? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. Let's count and see how many vertices there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 vertices. So this must be a hexagon. All right, kindergarten, it's time for you to go and go do a shape scavenger hunt in your house. Have fun.